Good morning, students. Let us start today chapter second, fairs and festivals. In this chapter, fairs and festivals are described. There are some festivals on the blackboard, 6, 7. Now we start from the first festival, Carnival. Carnival means खुशी. This festival introduced by the Portuguese in Goa in 1510. This festival of young, starting with the ceremonial procession of the King Momo, the Lord of festivities, along with the Queen and countries. This festival is celebrated in Goa, and it started from 1510. This festival is of young. In the symbol of Lord of the festivity, यानी खुशियों का यह फेस्टिवल है. Along with the Queen and countries, for this festival, King and Queen collected along with the young children. This day, young persons dressed in clean clothes and mask. In the presence of this festival, King Momo present and commands the young persons to have the good full and fun laughter. This festival goes for 3 days. This festival lasts for 3 days. Now let us start second festival, Ganesh Chaturthi. This is the festival of Ganesh, the god of wisdom and prosperity. It is very popular in Maharashtra. This 10-day festival ends with the immersions of the hundreds of the Ganesh image in sea. This festival is a very important. Ganesh Chaturthi festival is a very important in Maharashtra. This festival is a symbol of the Ganesh, wisdom and prosperity, the god of wisdom and prosperity. It festival is popular in Maharashtra, very popular. This festival goes for 10 days. After 10 days, this festival ends with immersion of the hundred of Ganesh image. Hundreds are Ganesh, image of Ganesh. 100 ends. And after 10 days, people collected, and this statue, this image of Ganesh carry to see and throw and take enjoy. This festival is called Ganesh Chaturthi. Now second festival, Khwaja Muinuddin Chishti. Khwaja Muinuddin Chishti. This sacred dargah is considered a wish-fulfilling shrine. On fulfilling shrine of the wish, devotee offers to get a kheer. The looting of the pot is a unique practice at this dargah of the Sufi Sant, whose dargah is this at Ajmer. This dargah is located or is found in the Ajmer. This is a sacred dargah, sacred, holy place. On this festival, a person who prays heartily to God offers to get kheer, present the get kheer, and on this day, looting of pot is a famous, unique practice. People gathered to loot of the pot kheer, whose dargah is at Ajmer. This dargah is located in Ajmer. Now, fourth festival, Swastik. This is a revered symbol meaning well-being, which drawn at the start of any auspicious work. The accounts book of some businessmen have this mark on the opening page. This mark is especially sacred to Jain, who consider to be the symbol of the salvation. Swastik means well-being, goodness. Some businessmen on his account book draw the swastik. And some persons believe in swastik that it is the symbol of the salvation. It is a symbol of salvation. Any prevent safety. Swastik. Now, fifth festival, Buddha Purnima. The full moon day of May is thrice blessed, marking the birth, enlightenment of Nirvana of the Gautam Buddha. Buddhists from the different part of the country and from other countries as well visit place associated with the Buddha lives. Some of these places embellished with the monasteries, viharas, and the stup are the historical interest. This festival, Buddha Purnima, full moon of the May, in the month of May, full day moon. It is thrice blessed, marking the birth, enlightenment, and the Nirvana of the Gautam Buddha. Buddhists from the other places gathered a place and visit Some of these places embellished with the monarchies, stupas, and the historical. Now, sixth festival, Rath Yatra. Although temple festival are the common festival in the India, but the most spectacular and greatest of the temple festival is held at the Jagannath temple at Puri in Odisha. 10,000 of the people flock to this holy town to participate. Rath Yatra. This festival is celebrated in Odisha at Puri. Rath Yatra. This temple festival held at the Jagannath temple. 10,000 people gathered there and take enjoy and participate and prayed. Last festival, Kumbh Mela. The festival is held every 12 years by the rotation of Allahabad or Prayaga, where the Ganga coverage with the Yamuna and mythical Saraswati at Nashik on the bank of the Godavari, at Haridwar on the Ganga and Ujjain, where the Shipra flow. This festival, Kumbh Mela, it is celebrated after 12 years. After 12 years, after 12 years, this Kumbh Mela is held in Allahabad, where Ganga mixed with the rivers Yamuna and Saraswati on the bank of Godavari. On the bank of Godavari, Ganga mixed with the Yamuna and Saraswati on the Ganga and Ujjain, where this Shipra flow. So, this chapter finish, and the next video you will see next day. Thank you.